I just want to talk about how long these Ollas last. People who are just onto this is Dripping Springs Ollas. We have the largest oil on the market. This is 2.9 gallons, 11 liters. This one here is about at least 10 years old, but I don't know exactly, but I know it's been at least 10 years. It's been in the ground, in and out of the ground. Winter, summer, spring, fall, all the seasons. You can see where the line of where the dirt was last season. I don't ever scrub the green stuff off. It works just fine. This is a new one from the factory just a few months ago. And the idea, of course, is to dig a hole, put it in, put the lid on, and then backfill the dirt, and then plant around it, and then put water in it. And they will last a very long time. They are cold tolerant, but you do have to make sure there's no water in them 2 weeks before the last frost. So 10-year-old, looking good. Happy gardening.